This is page 23 in the Red Book called Jumping Beans. And this song's going to be quite a challenge for us because we're not going to have our hands in any particular C major key or G major key, but we're going to be kind of like a jumping bean. We're going to be jumping around. And also we're going to have our left hand is going to cross over our right hand. And that's going to make things a little bit difficult at first. Then I think it'll be fun once you've mastered. Now notice up here it says that, notice it shows the quarter notes. It's mostly quarter notes, but it says when the stem, so the quarter note, and the stem is up, you have to play that note with your right hand. You see that? When the stem is up, use the right hand, even though it might be below the left hand. And when the stem points down, regardless if it's in the G clef or F clef, the stem points down, you need to use your left hand. And it's like every other note is going to be one hand or the other, but the song starts, you'll notice down here, there's that allegro, means fast again, but we're not going to play this fast, not till we've mastered it. Now notice it says left hand on the very first note, but the left hand is up here on the A, on the G clef. Now remember where the A is on your keyboard? It's usually the note that would be right above. If we had our right hand on, our right thumb on C and put each finger on each note, the A would be the note above the little finger. And we're going to use our three finger on the left hand, play the A, and then on the right hand, notice it says right hand up here, we're going to use our three finger on the F. Now the right hand is, the three finger is going to play the F every single time, so you don't have to worry about changing your right hand. Just use the three finger and play the F every single time. It's the right hand, but the left hand is going to move around. It's on the A, and then it goes to the G, and then it goes to the D, and then it goes back to the A on the next line down. And there are places where it actually goes down on the bottom of the page. It goes down onto the F clef and plays an A down there also, and a G down there. So we're going to go real slow on this song, and this might take a few weeks to master. But once you master it, everybody who's done this page so far has really liked the song because it's kind of a fun song with jumping beats. Go real slow and maybe do one hand, do just the left. This is page 23 in the Red Book called The Jumping Bean. This is a rather challenging song. I think it's a fun song, but it's rather challenging. We're going to have our right hand so that our three finger on the right hand is here on the F. So our thumb would be on the D, and our three finger on the right hand will be here on the F, and it's going to be on that F for the entire time. It's not going to play any other note, just that F. But the left hand is going to start up here, now up here, and it's going to jump around to different places. So there's no place for the thumb. We're essentially going to use the three finger on the right hand and the three finger on the left hand for the entire song. So I'm going to go very slow and try to watch. Remember, the fingers are always the three fingers. So I'm not going to say the finger numbers. I'll probably just say the timing. So it goes now. We're going to start with the left hand. If you notice, it has a little LH in red under the first note. And every note that has the stem pointing down is meant to be played by the left hand. Even though it's up on the G clef, we're going to use our left hand. And every note that has the stem pointing up is going to be played by the right hand. It's always going to be the three finger here. So this is a challenging one, but I think it's a fun song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, buds that make for all the leaves and whistles when the buds die, when the bees can't jump or hop at all. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hand alone and then add in the right hand so you know where the notes are.